The impact of reliability-centered maintenance. Since the end product of a well-executed RCM analysis is that an appropriate maintenance strategy will be selected for each piece of equipment, the impact is an overall improvement of reliability. RCM aims to reduce costs, improve safety, and eliminate maintenance tasks that are not effective or appropriate for a given piece of machinery. Implementing RCM processes allows you to avoid a one-size-fits-all mindset that could waste valuable time and resources.